Three, testing, testing. Yo, chat, YouTube, what up, baby? Guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time visiting the channel, you already know the deal. Make sure to like and subscribe. But before we get into the video, gotta pull up that. Give me 1 second, y'all. Hold on. Yo, my bad. My bad, y'all. All right, let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. The market opens in 4 minutes. So I am looking to short gold and NQ today. Let's see. So we just broke through a 1 hour demand zone on gold, which is good because one or two things is going to happen. It's either going to continue down or it's going to pull back and retest this zone. I'm not going to lie. Everything in the market looks kind of bearish. That doesn't mean anything though. At the end of the day, it could just reverse and go back up. So we don't know, but it is showing a lot of bearish signs. All right, then we want to go down to the 1 minute. Oh, this is cake. This is gonna be an easy ass day, bro. Look at this shit. Boom. Hold on, 1 hour. Let me go over. I'm gonna make this black. Actually, I'm gonna make this a red choppy line so we know the difference. So that's the 1 minute, and then we're gonna come over here, and we are going to get a line or a zone below this. Boom. I guess. So this is what we're going to be targeting. Then below that, we got this guy right here. We just going by levels, y'all. By levels. Okay, cool. Yeah, my honest to God prediction for the market opening today, I believe that. Why does it keep taking me to this browser? I'm on the wrong browser. I think that as soon as the market opens, it's going to drop. But we will see. Let me go ahead and do the same thing on this. It would help if I go to the right one. MGC. Go ahead and clear the chart. Which ones? All right, cool. So, boom, put my little lines right here. Red dash. And then up here. All right, cool. All right, guys. So we're all set. Okay. So We are looking for price to close below this line or go above the other line. Tired, man. Okay. As expected. Nice, 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 nice. How much is this? Yeah, keep going up. We actually want that. We actually want you to go up. I would prefer it actually come up and retest this, then go down, to be honest. Because looking at this, right? At some point in time, it has to come back and respect this. It doesn't have to do it this hour, but eventually it will have to come back and touch that for sure. Oh, look at that. Boom, easy money, bro. Come on, bro. We would have passed the challenge right here in one fucking candle, bro. God damn. That's crazy. And one candle. Ooh wee, this gonna be a day. This is gonna be a fucking day. Yeah, I gave y'all disgusting trading yesterday. I'm gonna try to be elite today. I'm gonna show you how to really trade. And it would have been dope if I had the foresight to catch this trade. I ain't gonna lie. That would have been tough. That would have been super tough. All right, so we're getting some hesitation after this big ass candle. I don't know what the hesitation is for, but it's not breaking through this easily. So we might get some consolidation in between these 2 points, as expected. Where's my path tool? Where the fuck is my path tool? Path. Okay, here we go. Path tool. All right, so we're going to probably see something like this, bro. Probably get some consolidation. Or hold on. Damn, I wish I had my fib on this. I don't have my fib on this, so I could use their fib, but I don't like their fib, bro. Their fib is ass. I don't really like their fib, bro. Yeah, some consolidation. It's cool. I'm not mad at it. This is no man's land. We are in between a monster of a zone, bro. A fucking 43 pip zone. And price keeps rejecting off of this. I don't like that. I do not like that. Don't like that at all. It kind of doesn't make sense to have this big ass candle in the opening and then now price is like rejecting to go down further. It's like it's a little concerning. I can't wait till about 6:05 so I can get on TradingView. I really don't like I like Topstep X. I like the setup. It's almost exactly like TradingView. Actually, hold on. Let me see something, bro. You know what? I'm talking about I don't like their fib. Maybe I can match the fib up to what I have on. Give me 1 second. Let me see. I might do that. Let me go to their fib over here. See if I can match up the settings real quick. And for y'all tuning in, oh, I'm tripping, bro. Let me make sure my mic is on. Okay, cool. I was about to say, what the fuck? I had to make sure the mic was on, man. Oh, yeah, I knew, yeah, bro, I don't like that. See, like, I'm so glad I didn't get in down here because this is a contrarian move. Like, there's nothing to base that move off of, right? We need a breakthrough and a retest, bro. And we're aiming for 30 pips. We want the big trade. So now, boom, settings. Let me go ahead and match it to what I got over here. 0.124. Make this blue. 0.32. Wait, what? How do I make it a point? Mm, 0.5. 0.5. Mm, 6.8. Give me one second. Sorry about this, y'all. I should have had this prepared already. That's my bad. That's why shit after today, I might not even use trading view no more. I think I need to take the time and really just set set in my hold on, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's confusing. Oh, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Confused as hell for a second. I was like, what the fuck? 1 2 I bet. All right, we should be Gucci now, bro. We should be Gucci. Let's see if we Gucci. Damn, bro. I wish I would have had the foresight to catch that, bro. But how would I know like that price is gonna go up, stop right here, then go all the way down 30 pips? Like that's impossible to know that, but somebody, I bet you there's a nigga out here somewhere who knew. Okay, I gotta get this fucking, I don't know what the fuck that shit is. Definitely want to take that off and yeah, don't need a background. All right, cool. All right, cool. All right, so a little golden zone action. That's why this drop right here. That makes sense. Okay, that's cool. So That's a good thing to know. We might need that for later on. That price sells below this level. Golden zone area. Then that means that price should technically buy above this level. So like a breakthrough and retest should make price buy above this level. Something like this. Now a potential entry. This might be something right here, like a short right there. Man, that's a lot of shit I gotta add to my Yeah, I'm about to take tonight and just go over everything, bro, and really just customize this to my liking because this don't make no sense. All right, 15. So let's say if I were to risk 16, if I'm risking 16, I gotta go. What's 16 times 3? 32 plus 48. All right, cool. 480 plus 160. I know y'all like, oh, that's a whole new guy from yesterday. Brand new nigga. On the deal, homies. Nah, yeah, yesterday was horrible, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, I knew better. I don't know why, man. Like, I could have did real good yesterday, man. I fucking tweaked yesterday, bro. All right, so this might be a play right here. I don't know if it hit the golden zone or not. I'm a little blind. Hold on, let me zoom in. Nope, it didn't hit the golden zone yet. It's just not fucking with going up right now. We'll pull back. Yeah, all this is nonsense, bro. This is no man's land. So, all right, we got some potential trades, right? Trade number one. Boom, price comes up here. It retests off the box, and then it goes up. The only issue I have with that is that on the 1 hour, and hopefully at least the zone is the same on the 1 hour. Let me make sure, man. Because, yep, completely different. This is why I like trading view better, bro. Like, all right, so here, we're still in the zone, right? But if you go to trading view says we broke through a zone, which was this right here, and now we're heading to the next zone, which is down here. So this is exactly why I don't fuck with Project X. I feel like they kind of make the chart how they want to make it. But anyways, let's get back to our analysis. We are trading gold live. Welcome. If it's your first time to the channel, man, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, man, just sit back and enjoy. They wasn't with me shooting in the gym. Oh. Yo, if you hear random like spurts, don't mind me, bro. That's just me, bro. I'll be singing shit randomly. All right, this is a 1 hour demand zone on Topstep. So see, that's the weird thing, bro. Like yeah, bro, like that's weird, man. By Topstep's definition, we're still in the zone. So we only broke through one zone, really, which is this one right here. This little ass zone right here. We broke through this basically last night. And now we're just waiting, man. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like. 15-minute, we're looking Gucci. So let's look to the left and see why it's acting like that. Okay. So I'm gonna put a line right here and I'm gonna make it orange so we don't get confused. Red, I like to do red choppy lines for the 1 minute because it just signifies that the 1 minute is very choppy, right? It's very fast and choppy. So that's why I use the dotted lines for the 1 minute. But boom, put it right on there. All right, so we had a breakthrough. Nah, not even yet. We just sitting at that zone. All right, so I mean, yeah, it's gonna go through, man. It's gonna go through for sure. It's just it's just playing around right now. We are at a very strong 15-minute zone though. I will say that because look, price pulled back into this area and it stopped in this general area. So that means buyers are very strong right here, right? So I could literally go ahead and just box this whole thing up. I'll make the box green because this is where the buyers are. And then I'll drag this over so you guys can get a better picture as to what's going on. All right, so price is fighting to break through this. In order to break through this, we're going to need some strong candlesticks because the reason I say that, last time price pulled back into the zone, buyers pushed the hell out of this. Like, they pushed this shit all the way up here, bro. So it's definitely going to be a fight to break through this. I'm not saying that it can't break through. I'm just saying it's going to be a little bit of a fight to get through that motherfucker. I really wish that price would have hit this. I might have had taken that, bro. I'm mad as fuck. All right, so now our original move. I could get rid of this box. I want to clean this up a little bit. Boom. Going to get rid of this. Now I'll keep the orange line for the 15-minute, but I just want to get an understanding of something real quick. Trying to get a good understanding. Okay. So realistically, price pulled back right here, and it pulled up, and it tried to. Okay, we got two candlesticks breaking below right here. So, boom, that means that we want price to break through this and like do some type of retest or something. Also, look at this. This is a inverse head and shoulders because we got our shoulder, we got our head, then we got another shoulder right here. So if price breaks above this neckline, price might actually go up a little bit. But this is on a 1 minute, so we can't really pay this no mind. Oh, I'm tripping, bro. NQ is the real play. I need to go to NQ real quick. On everything, NQ is the real play, bro. Damn. I think NQ about to dump today, bro. I got NQ dumping a lot. Hold on, let me see how many ticks. It done went up about 50 ticks. That's $2 a tick. That's $100 per contract size I use. So 100, 200, 300, about $2. All right, bet. Damn, let me mark this bitch up on this. I don't really like using this, but fuck it. We're going to use it today. All right, so we're going to go right here with it. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch bastard. I don't give a fuck if you love me. I don't give a fuck if you like me. Asking me how did it feel. In case it didn't surprise me. Last time I let them out, you niggas were standing beside me. Damn, this shit choppy as fuck over here. What the fuck was this? This shit look crazy. Nah, bro, this look crazy. Hell no. Yeah, we going We going on trading view for Nas. Fuck that, nigga. Yeah, let me get back on gold, man. If I miss something, gold micro. Yeah, I definitely gotta get on. Oh yeah, did we break through? Nah, not yet. It's teasing right now for sure. Hey, maybe this shit, maybe this zone might hold up. Might hold up. Might just do it. All right. Mm, 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 mm. Get rid of that. All right. Let me go to trading view, bro. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta go to trading view, man. I don't even feel right being on that. All right, cool. So go to the 1 minute. See why trading view is just better. Hell is better, bro. It didn't even break my zone yet on trading view. And then my 1 minute zone is up here. All right, so I'm waiting for this. And I can set alerts on trading view. That's another reason. Yo, if Topstep as a thing where we could set alerts and they could fix their fucking charts, nigga, that's more money they could make. Like I don't even understand why they don't do that. Oh, this shit ugly. All right, let's go to Nas though. Nas. Yo, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yeah, Nas is looking like it's an easy call, bro. Easy call, bro. Finally, man. Is that a strong breakthrough? Oh man, there's no fucking breakthrough. How many pips so far? 20? That's it? What the fuck? That is not what this shit was saying. Oh, that's because okay, from there, yeah, that's 20 from there. See, look, this is what you want to stay away from, bro. All these little games that's being played, bro. It's no like fucking go down. Like if you want to go down, go down. Like I don't like that shit, bro. I like movements like this. Like these, like but it's part of the game, bro. This is why trading is a skill and not something to be played with, bro. Like, do you have the patience to wait and be mentally strong through all of this, right? If you do not have the patience, get off of the 1 minute, go to a higher time frame, go to the 5 minute. Okay, the 5 minute still being choppy, fucking with your psychology. Go to the 1 hour. I mean, go to the 15 minute. 15 minute is not showing you what you like. Go to the 1 hour. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, find a time frame that best suits your psychology and then just stick with it. All right, cool. We just had a breakthrough. That's good. Let me see if it broke through on trading view as well. Yeah, barely. I don't like that small ass breakthrough though. All right, I'm gonna let gold do his thing for a second, bro, because I need a good setup. Because I'm gonna go 5 contract. I think So I want a really good setup. Oh shit! What the fuck, nigga? As I'm talking, that shit just damn. What the fuck? Hold up, nigga. Damn, wait for me, cuz. Wait for me. What the fuck? Yes, sir. How much did that shit just drop just now? Oh, that's only 3 pips. I ain't tripping off of that shit. But it did. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. See? See? And this shit'll go all the way back up, bro. Like, yo, all right, let's see something. We gonna see something. We gonna just say, all right, let's see something. I wanna see something. All right, let's say we get in right here, right? All right, we gonna wait for this candle to finish. Doing what it do. That is a breakthrough and retest, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, I'm gonna take a small one. That is a breakthrough and retest, so I'm gonna take a small one. Fuck.
Order filled.
Take a small one, and then I'm gonna just. I'm gonna put my stop loss above here, and I'm gonna inch in. Oh, hold on. Slow down, gold. Slow down, buddy. This is a breakthrough and retest, so that's a good trade. All right, so let's say we would have got in right here, right? Or the 5. Oh, damn, that would have been a good entry.
Order rejected.
What? Why? What the fuck? Why is it order rejected? I can't do another contract? Hold on,
Order
bro.
filled.
What the fuck?
Order rejected.
Bro, what is going on, bro? So what are y'all saying? What the fuck? We can't do 5s?
Order rejected.
Whoa. We can only do 1, bro? 2. Okay, let me do a 2.
Order rejected.
Wow. Oh, nah, bro. These niggas is wildin', bro. So we can only.
Order filled.
Wow, we can only do 2s? That's crazy. What the fuck?
Order filled.
Yo, I can only do 2s, bro. That's crazy, bro. Oh, that changes everything, bro. Damn, they just made it way harder for us to pass these challenges, bro. Damn. That's wow, bro. What the fuck? So let's see, 200, and then I want to. If I was able to put, it would be 300, I think, right? Nah, bro, that's crazy. Yeah, I might trade NQ then, cause NQ gonna go. NQ is gonna go. I'm already knowing. Nigga, we might be able to get in queue right here. No cap. I think I'm gonna set an alert right here to get in. Put sell in queue. Yo, bro, I ain't gonna lie. That changes everything, gang. Bro, what the fuck? This is 30? Nah, I need 30, fool. It's a little bit around 300, 200. Oops. Nah, bro. What you mean I can only do 2 contracts, bro? That's crazy. That's mad manipulation, bro. That's wild crazy, my heart. So then in that case, that means that I would have to sell just regular gold. Yeah, they want me to sell GC. But my entry gonna have to be flawless. Cause doing 1 contract on this would be like, ugh. Damn, bro. When did they change that, bro? Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. Let me talk to Topstep real quick. See what the fuck going on, cause this shit is unacceptable. Come on, man. What the fuck is going on, bro? Bro, that changes everything, bro. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, I don't know about that, y'all. Like, that's crazy, bro. Okay, cool. We need a close below this. We get a close below this. We're Gucci. That's crazy, bro. I don't give a fuck if you love me. I don't give a fuck if you like me. Asking me how did it feel. Let's go. All right, y'all. I'll be right back. Let me see something. Okay, I don't like all this, bro. All this like bullshit going on. I do not like this, bro. 2 just went down, so now it's doing this little pullback thing.
Order rejected.
Wow. Yo, that's crazy, bro. Wow, bro. That shit is crazy, bro. Nah, that's really like diabolical, bro. It's really like, that's manipulation, bro. Bro, that's manipulation at the highest fucking level, bro. Bro, that's wild manipulation, bro. Nah, bro, that's OD manipulation. They're basically so you have the ability to make $10 a tick, 100, 20, 30, 50, 40, 100, 150, up all the way up to like I believe 30 was the max with this with the 50K account. But now they're saying we can only make $10 to $20 a tick. That's crazy, bro. That must mean niggas was cashing out crazy, bro. Because yesterday it was 5, but now that's crazy, bro. Nah, that's really fucked up, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. That's like really crazy to me, bro. Yeah, bro. That's crazy. Oh man, I'm tripping. Yeah, that was a sell right there. Uh-uh.
Order filled.
Holy shit. That shit just squeezed. What am I up? 39.
Order filled.
Yeah, get me the fuck out of there. That shit was doing way too much, nigga. That shit was doing way too much. Damn, what the fuck?
Order rejected.
Nah, that's crazy, bro. Come on, bro.
Order filled.
Wait, hold on. 14, 29, 14, 37.
Order filled.
Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Yeah, that mean, bro, I could have fucking probably passed this shit. Damn, that changes everything, bro. In order to make $1,500, bro. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? In order to make $1,500, I gotta get 75 pips. Like, nigga, like, damn. I would have passed the challenge right here. That's crazy, bro. What the fuck? Damn, bro. Yeah, that's ass. I ain't gonna hold y'all. That is super ass, bro. I mean, throw Topstep away. Bro. I gotta call the homies on this one. Hold on, I'm gonna put y'all on mute for 1 second. Hope y'all enjoying the show, man. Yeah, today is way different. Bro, I'm telling y'all right now, I could have passed this challenge 3 times already, bro. If it wasn't for Topstep on this whole shit, bro. Like, this is some real whole shit. And I should have stayed in that trade because I'm almost 100% sure it's going to fall down to this level right here. Hold on 1 second. I know it's going to come touch this demand zone. We already had it marked up. I'm doing the right thing. I'm trading my strategy, and damn, bro, this would have been a great night, bro. Damn, bro. I ain't tripping though, bro. I ain't tripping, bro. This is just gonna make me a better trader, bro, for sure. Cause that's some bullshit, nigga. So let me explain to y'all why I'm taking these trades and everything like that, right? So, first things first. Before this day started, I'm gonna just break this down to y'all step by step so y'all can understand where I'm coming from. Give me 1 second, y'all. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Just wanna doing a lot of things at one time. My bad, y'all. I'm still at work, low key. All right, so let me show y'all exactly what happened, right? So um basically price broke below this level. We were waiting for this before the market opened, right? Before the market opened, we wanted price to break below this level or break above this level, right? And then we wanted to react off of one of these breakthroughs. So price broke through. I could have got in right here. This is what's called a breakthrough and retest. I could have easily, this was the first entry right here, right? I was a little cautious. I'm like, what concerned me was it was doing a lot right here. This is what concerned me. This is why I didn't get in. I was like, I'm looking at all this hesitation. I don't like hesitation, right? When I see shit like this, it normally has me thinking that price is going to pull back up. So I was like, let me just take it easy, right? Boom. That was the first trade. All right. And 30 pips. All I needed was 30 pips with a 5, and I'm passing the challenge. Boom, easy. Next trade. So price makes a new low, lower low, cool. Then it pulls back, right? I want y'all to understand something about price. Whether it's on the 1 hour, the daily, the 4 hour, the 30 minute, the 15 minute, it doesn't matter. Price is going to trade off of structure, right? Now, keep in mind when you're on the 1 minute, the structure gets broken a little bit. The structure is a little bit more loose than it is on the 1 hour. But for the most part, and if you're in a good area, then price is going to go in the way that you need it to go. So it went lower. So let me show you something, right? This could have been another entry. Your stop loss would have had to been pretty decent though. You could have got in right here, or a smarter thing was to wait for this bearish engulfing. So you could have just got in right here off rip and just prayed and hope like, oh, it's gonna go down, or we need 30, right? We need 30, right? 30, boom. Either or, right? Either or. Both were good entries. Now, hold on 1 second. This is another entry. This might be another entry. Right here, I'm about to tell you right now. I trade off of structure, guys. It's super simple, actually. So, open, bro. The first hour, my nigga. Like, this shit is lame, bro. Yeah, bro. God is definitely trying to teach me patience and consistency, bro. That's what I'm taking from this. So I'm not even mad. You feel what I'm saying? I'm on God's timing. So if I gotta make $300-$500 a day until I get where I need to be, cool. So be it. I'm kind of tight though. I could at least make $600, but I'm not even. You know what I mean? It is what it is, bro. How? Yes, that price invalidated the breakthrough. So that's why you see price shooting up what it is right now, right? This doesn't mean that price is going to um just keep going bullish. It just means right now at this moment buyers are putting more orders in the market than sellers are, right? There are more people out here buying gold than there are selling at this particular moment. But that might change soon. All right. Oh, this is nice. This is a boom, another invalidation candle. So boom. Now we got a trap, right? Now we sell. Now we see you see the trap right here? What the fuck, bro? See, now we could take this all day. So I feel super confident in taking this trade. Hold on. I'm about to go ahead and take this real quick. Uh, damn.
Order filled.
Yeah, I think we could take this to the demand zone. Put my stop up there. Go for a little quick 100. Little quick Hyundai. The easiest strategy in the world, bro. It works all the time. Not all the time, but it works majority of the time. This shit got like a 70 to 80 win rate. I'll say about 70, 80. Let me move this up a little bit because I know this should be tripping. Oh shit, did it invalidate me just now? Oh no, I'm Gucci. Go ahead, order filled. Fuck you, we're not giving nothing back. Go ahead. There you go. Come on. Cause we ain't giving nothing back, so you might as well just go ahead and hit the TP. If this shit don't hit the TP, that shit is gay. Bro. There we
Order
go.
filled.
I was about to say. All right, y'all. I'm done. Oh man. Hold on. Before I lock myself out, give me 1 second. My homie was calling me. Let me see what this nigga want. Be right back. My bad, y'all. I'm back. All right. So should I try to make 150, have a nice even thousand to hit on, or yeah, we don't trade none of this. Let me tell y'all something. Hold on. It'll be easier to show you in this. Um, we do not trade none of this. Now, what we will do though, we're gonna go to the 1 hour, and we are going to do this. And we're gonna go to the 1 minute, and we're gonna grab zones. So boom, I'm sorry, levels. So boom, make this red, make it choppy because it's the minute. That's all we're gonna do. We're just gonna grab levels. Matter of fact, I want stronger levels, so I want these. Um, Damn, shit small as fuck. One, two, and then we're gonna grab this one. So this is what we want. Now we're gonna come back to the market where we at today, and we are going to hopefully take price to one of these zones and then be done. I'm gonna try to make 150 before I end this. But so far so good. What's going on? All right, so dang, we got the golden zone right here. Now I can show the golden zone on this. I just prefer marking up my charts on the on TradingView, bro, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not even about to look at this, to be honest. I just want to look at TradingView. All right, so all right, now this is how easy my trading strategy is, right? All right, so if price is going down and price stopped here and it pulled back, all I want is for price to break through this level, and then I can enter based on the candlestick, right? If the following candlestick invalidates the breakthrough, I immediately cut my losses and get out of that trade. Or I'll do something like this. I'll show you. Okay. Yeah, so like if I get an invalidation, 9 times out of 10, I'll just cut my loss right here and wait for like a stronger breakthrough. So boom, like this. All right, so price is rejecting this area. That means the buyers are stronger here than the sellers. So we have 3 potential entries, right? Entry number 1 is something like this. We just have a strong breakthrough. Oops. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make this better for y'all. All right, so entry number 1. We want a strong breakthrough, right? It doesn't have to be too crazy, but nice, decent entry. Entry number 2, a breakthrough, then a retest, and then it goes up. Entry number 3, a rejection off of this. Obviously, it's not rejecting, so this entry is Not going to happen. Then that leaves us with this last entry, which is this one right here. All right, give me 1 second, y'all. Oh shit, I thought I had the mic on the whole time. My bad, y'all. All right, I'm done for the day. Well, done for the night. So, whenever you guys are feeling like you want to overtrade or like it gets to the point where like you like, damn, I'm taking too many trades, they have a lockout feature right here. You could just come here, boom, hit custom. Um, I started trading at 7:45. That's when I start marking up my charts. Um, the reason why I took those last couple of trades, I got out early because in the I'm a literally walk you through my whole thought process. So I saw this hesitation right here. I'm like, when I saw that candle coming down here and hesitating before it hit my TP, I was like, it might pull back one more time. So I got out. Then, damn, I should have stayed in. But what was I about to tell you? Then the next time when I got back in, I thought my goal was to make 500, at least 500 tonight. So it had said like 50, and I had 450, but I don't know why it said 498. I'm guessing because of the fees. So I just took one more trade just to hit the 500. But damn, bro, I should have stayed in. Now back to TradingView, and I'm gonna end the video on this. So again, my trading strategy is super simple, bro. Like I trade off of structure, and I like to do the 1 minute so I can fit um Topstep's like rules, right? Like with a futures, when you're trading futures, you gotta like trade day by day. But when you're trading Forex, you get what I'm saying? Like you could trade anytime you want. As long as it's Sunday through Friday. The market opens up at Sunday at 6 p.m. and then it closes at like 4:30, 5 o'clock on Friday. So I could have held this gold sell from shit like from here on with let's say I would have caught the sell up here, right? With Forex, I could have held it the whole way, but with Top Step or when you're trading futures, you got to get out at 4 something. Now I'm a little upset with myself because I think I could have made 1,500. Let me see. Yeah, damn near. Yeah, I definitely could have made 1,500. Damn, bro. I'm sick. I'm sick. Oh my God, I could have made even what a no wonder they bro. The Top Step literally uh told us we can't make a certain amount of money because they just capped our contract sizes. Basically, like you see these things right here on the side. This is $10, this is 20, 30, 10, and 15, right? But I'm sorry, 10, 20, 30, 100, and 150. They just basically told us y'all only can make $10 or $20 per pip. When we could make as much as 50, 100, or 150 or more. That shit ass, but it is what it is, man. What was I about to say? Damn, bro, I could have dead ass just fucking passed this stupid ass challenge. Damn, bro, that's ass. I gotta trade a third day anyway, so I ain't tripping. Uh, yeah, so, but basically, so $20 times 80 is 1,600. So I could have well hit my goal. Shit, just right here, $40. That would have been 800. I gotta stop getting out, bro. I should have just held this shit. I ain't gonna lie. This was the easiest fucking trade ever. All right, y'all. So I might go live tomorrow morning. I might not, but I hope if you're trading with me, you caught some trades live, bro. We if you just came to the channel, we just made 500. So we made 500 yesterday. I'm sorry, 1,400 yesterday. Then we made 500 today. Bro, yesterday I could use a 5, but today I can't. So I'm a little tight about that. But 1,000 more to get funded, and then it's on to the next. But all right, y'all. Deuces. I'm out of here.